Hello, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted to shut down your PC with just one click? Well, in this video, I will show you how to do that in less than a minute. The first thing we need to do is to create a shortcut on the desktop by right-clicking on it. Select New. Choose Shortcut. Enter the following command as you see on the screen. Now that we have created a shortcut on the desktop, let's see how we can change its icon to make it look more appealing. Right-click on it and select Properties. Click on Change Icon. If this dialog appears, click OK. Choose the shutdown icon. Click OK. Click Apply and OK. We are almost done. The last thing we need to do is to test our shortcut and see if it works as expected. Double-click on it and confirm the shutdown. And there you go, your PC will turn off with one click. And that's how you can turn off your PC with one click. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.